Welcome back to another episode of my dealership. So I'm just changing my clothes here. I don't know what I'm wearing. I might just wear white. Or I could go beige today. I'm just gonna go beige. With dark jeans right there, then some beige. There. There we go. Alright, so there is, I think, multiple vehicles that we have to pick up today. I'm not sure though. I'll have to go check with the dealership. I know we have one delivery by Clever Motors, because they just got delivered a truck without its back, without it. So if I basically did this, took this off, and then just drove straight, yeah, it'd be like that with nothing. So we're gonna have to buy one of those and put it on. But other than today, I don't know if we have any more. Yeah, we just passed it. As you can see, it's that white truck right there. So I'm gonna get to the dealership, which we're pulling up on right here. And I'm gonna see. But I'm pretty sure that I'm just gonna go pick that up in a minute. So off camera, I got us a Mack. It's a 6x4, and then we got a new trailer for the Mack. It's slightly bigger than this one, because as you can see, it's almost touching the back. I think this is touching it, yeah. So this is slightly bigger. Still got that. So I think we're just gonna take the red today. Start her up. She sounds good. Pick that up. Oh, and we have delivery by the gas station. A truck. It's like an old service truck that they said we could have, so we paid for it. But yeah, I'm also looking forward maybe buying that blue truck right there. It looks nice, but that's in the future. Just back this in like this. Let me know in the comments, am I a good driver? I think I am. Come on. There we go, center it. Lower. Oh, I'm doing the wrong thing. I'm doing the wrong thing, guys. Get out. So it has no back on it, but it's all white. It just got delivered into Clever Motors today, so they just put it by the trash, and they called me and said I could have it. Yeah, it's a Silverado, but she starts up good. Raise it. Then we're going to strap it down. There we go. I think it's the same brand as this. It's just 4 seats instead of 2. I'm gonna think about expanding this business because it's getting a little crowded over here. So after I drop this off, I'll show you what I mean. I don't know why it doesn't go all the way to the ground, but it's fine. For now, I think we're just gonna leave it in the shop and go pick up the other truck that we have today. So yeah. Okay, park this. As you can see, we own everything that's in the border right here. It's like from this road over here to this road, and then this dirt road to that road. But yeah, so I'm thinking of expanding, maybe, but that's in the future. So first, let's raise this and then go pick the other one up. Don't hit that, we're good. Yep, we're good. Oh shoot. Okay, I guess it just stops on its own. Honk for this guy. Horn sucks on this thing, man. In the next video, somebody's gonna be showing up, helping around the shop next video. So yeah, here it is. It's an old work truck or something. I think I said service, but yeah, I'm gonna just bring this forward. I think it's a Ford or Chevy, but yeah. Starts up good. I know it doesn't have the best engine you can put on this thing, so I'm gonna get that the best engine delivered and put on it, but yeah. Alright. Strap this down. Let's raise it. Hopefully it doesn't hit it. It's scratched it. But I think I'm just gonna make a wide turn here. Should be good. Yup. Brakes on the thing, this truck is good. Full in here. Yeah, we're definitely expanding this driveway. We have to drive in the grass, but we're all fine. Say in the comments if I'm a good driver or not. I don't think I am. Pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. It's not even on there straight. Back this in. Alright guys, I customized the cars and here they are. So here I customized the rusted out Pinto. I got the whole repaint job, got the rust off, put some new tires on it. Yeah, it looks good. Put the white rims on it. It looks way better than before. Inside didn't change. Still have the towing mirrors. So yeah, and here is the weird looking lowrider, whatever you wanted to call it. But yeah, here it is. We made it white. We put some bigger wheels on it. We made the rims better. Took off the wheel hubcap. And let's open the engine. Looks good. We added some pink in there. As you can see, it's an engine. We upgraded the engine. It doesn't look like it, but we did. Oh, and we kept this same engine here. Because it was already the best engine and we trusted. We fixed it a little. So yeah, there we go. And I hope y'all have a great day. Put these in the shed. Show you another truck. I haven't showed y'all this yet. TLX 2022 6.2L V12. It's a V12 in the engine. It's all gray. It's clear. This is the interior. So the same. And then that'll be the video. I might have to put this in there too so it doesn't get stolen. Because I know because this is a nice truck.